What did you do yesterday, Nasrin? Huh? You play? Where? In the seaside? How about you,
No, in
Shane?
the beach.
The beach. You swim?
Hey,
You swim?
Then I take toy.
you show the
Toys?
room to Auntie Viv?
Yeah, they show it to me. Very nice. They said, who make this? Papa. They said,
My kitty.
what, Shane?
Up.
Up. You talk too much now. Oh. Oh, be careful.
Let's
Let's-
try.
Where? What is that? Huh?
I think maybe I go up.
Yeah, I see you go up. See, like that, if you sit there, it's nice. But be careful.
Be careful your feet. Your feet?
Mm. No, get down. No, don't do that. You're eating, Nari. Nasrin, no, be careful. Shaheen is
See
watching.
Daddy?
Okay.
See this? See?
Yeah.
Here. Stop it. I'm on.
No, it's enough, Nasrin. Leave her alone. What?
Seesaw mashkedu.
What? Shaheen, what?
Papa.
Yes, Lord.
See?
Oh, very nice. You say thank you?
Princess, where is Princess? Wow, our princess also here. Oh. Dance?
Then I bring my dress again.
Which one? Your dress?
Yes, good. Tag.
Yeah.
Princess.
Princess?
Go up. Go up.
Hmm. You play yesterday? You make slide?
Then I go the birthday.
What?
Birthday from today is Nasrin's birthday.
Wow, happy
Then I go
birthday.
balloon.
Yeah, how old are you now?
Balloon.
How old are you? You know, Baba. Be careful now.
Be careful, Nasrin. How old are you now, Nasrin?
Ow.
How about you, Shaheen? How old are you?
I don't want it on. What 2 is old?
You, Nari?
5 is old.
5 years old. And you, Shaheen?
3 years old.
You, Nasrin?
4 years old.
Wow, you're 4 years
Until you
old.
can reach to 5.